It's William with the Riverstone Life, and you know what we're going to do in this video? We're going to do another giveaway. What are we going to give away? We're going to give away some Raycon headphones. Yes, some Raycon headphones. You can see I got a pair in my ear right now. I've been wearing these for the last week. The folks over at Raycon sent these out to us. So you're actually going to get them with the headphones themselves, the complete set. And then you're going to turn around and get the cover that goes over it too. So if you want to protect your stuff, you know what I mean? Make sure I get it on the right. Got it on the right. Just like that, see that? So you can buy these for $79. Robin will have everything down in the description below. Okay, here's the $299, you know what these are, Pros. And don't get me wrong, I've been using them for a long time, but now I got these in my ear for $79, and I think the sound is just as good or better. Okay, easy connect. You know how Apple always talks about how easy these connect. They're not that easy because mine don't connect most of the time. On these here, I just clicked on the Bluetooth. I mean, you can literally grab your phone. They're called Everyday Earbuds, so we got that part out. They sell for $79. She'll put the link down below. But you can just go into your settings on anything out there, and as soon as you hit the Bluetooth, it pulls up down on the bottom, and then you just tap to pair. You're right there. They call Raycon Everyday Buds. I mean, I didn't do nothing. I was just listening to these last night. It took me 3 times to get them on. And then the other problem with sometimes is these like to connect to my iPad or a TV or other things that I don't want them to connect to all the time when I walk in. So these are just, if you don't put them on that unit or put them in the settings, they're not going to work on anything else. So that's one nice thing. But you know, you could use these things when you're driving down the road, you know, for you guys, all your RV transport guys out there that are playing on your phone and shouldn't be playing on your phone. You can stick this in your ear. $79. So you'll be able to buy them, but we're also going to give a set away. Yes, we're going to give a set away. Like I told you, I can talk these people into sending me doubles all the time so that I can keep one for myself. And then our viewers benefit from this too, because we want to give back to you, the people that watch our videos. So you're going to get one lucky winner is going to get a set of them and a coverage set for it. Complete headphone set. All you have to do is give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video if you can, and then send us an email to the riverstonelife@gmail.com. We'll put it all in a... Robin will do that. I won't. But Robin will put it all in her app, everybody's name. And what she does, the first person that emailed, you're number 1, and they just go through that way. So we've had like 25 or 30 people all the time that enter. If we get more, that's great. She just puts it in her phone, and she'll hit the button in like 2 weeks. She'll put the dates and everything down in the description, and then whoever it comes up, that name, we will contact you through email. And once we reach out to you, if you email us back so that we make sure you're a real person, and you send us your address, you don't have to do that until you win. I'll drop these off at the post office and ship them out to you for free. So you're going to get, somebody's going to get a free set. But for all of our viewers, if you're looking for some good headphones, Raycon Everyday Earbuds. They're very comfortable. And of course they come with a little strap. They also come with different fittings because everybody has different size ears. I mean, compared to, you know, that's put away like that. I remember when I first had these things, the longer ones, when they first came out, and people were making fun of me, then everybody went and did it. So I don't know which one looks better. I can tell you that this feels just as comfortable, but I can also tell you, look at that. Oh, like my grand says, they always want me to go, that's for you, buddies. But see, it's still there. So is that pretty cool or what? So yes, they're gonna laugh their ass off on that one, but pretty cool. That's all I can say. But just remember, somebody's gonna get a free set for the person that don't win. All you other people out there that want them right now, look down in the description below, and Robin will have everything right there where you can click on it and you can get them for $79. So just remember, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you like what me and Robin are doing on the channel, subscribe to the channel, and always